Hi, my name is Kat Curtis, and I am president and co-founder of Lightstone with Planning Solutions. So I am just on a midday walk here, which is kind of a terrible idea because it is Houston and it is almost 90 degrees. And I did not realize that until I got out the door, but here we are, midday walking in Houston in March, where it's 90 degrees. But I would take hot over cold any day, so it's fine. But I just want to talk a little bit about some of the exciting changes and offerings that we were able to launch last week for our firm. They're things that we've really been in the works for months. So the first one is we were able to do a refresh of our website. So you can check that out at lightstoneplanning.com. The second thing that we're able to do is add an additional offering for our clients. And with that, the core of what we do at Lightstone is built around financial planning. So as we've met with clients over the past bit, we've realized that in addition to financial planning, a lot of clients also are looking for help with investment management. So we are really excited to now be offering investment management services to our clients in addition to the financial planning. We'll have more details about some of the really cool things that we can do for building just really thoughtful portfolios for our clients. So excited about that offering. And then the second offering change, so kind of third change, second new offering is a dedicated offering for business owners. So this is going to be especially relevant for business owners who have between really 1 and 20 million in earnings every year in their business and just need some deep dive help with financial planning, not just for themselves personally, but also in considering things like, estimated business valuation, like KPIs, and just trying to work through everything that's needed for ultimate business succession and exit planning. So we'll go through, again, more of the details with that, but that particular offering for business owners we call the Entrepreneurial Ascent, and we are really excited to add that. That's something that we've really been thinking about really since the beginning, because that is business owner planning and other advanced planning concepts are really a specialty for our firm. So we're really excited to be able to have this as an offering as well. So stay cool. Hopefully it's not 90 degrees where you're at. Bye.